Hi there, I'm Philip Greer and welcome to my channel. Have you ever tried to send out a link in your Facebook page going to lots of people and the link would send them directly to your YouTube page to see your videos? It's very powerful. So what I'm going to do is show you how to combine the two to make a very powerful presentation. Here we go.
Of my Facebook page, and I'm going to get right on with this so as not to waste your time. This is the link going to my YouTube page. Now, this is FedEx Officer. We're now friends on Facebook, and I'm going to show you how I do it. Okay. What I'm going to do is go down here. I'm using my own individuals. I click on the photo. And of course, it's going to bring up my photo list right here. I'm going to quickly get to it. Matter of fact, I'm just going to type in here and get real quick, LinkedIn photo. It'll get up. I click on that one right there. It's a nice photo. And you'll see it appear right in there. Now, I'm going on over here. I'm going to go right to the, and this is to the FedEx officer. Actually, before I do this, let's bring up the FedEx officer and look at him real quick. He may not give out, you never know. And he doesn't. Don't worry about it. Just say FedEx and let it be. That's what I'm going to do. Now I'm going to get back photo. And now I will the article and I'll type in Dear FedEx Officer. Now I'm going to highlight this part. Now it's not going to send any of these two photos. I've already put mine in there. Left click on copy. Now I'm going to come back up over here down to my task view and click right there on my Facebook page. Come down here. Now I'm going to right click and I'm going to paste that article in there. Now, in here, I'm going to scroll right to where I say. Now, here comes a little bit part. I'm going to come up here, right here, link on Facebook. Left click and hold it. Now I'm going to click copy. Come back up here to my, you can see I've got it in right. Edit that and copy. I'll come back over to my Facebook page and as you just got that URL, right click on there, and that's it. And now you can scroll back up in here and you see my tiny URL up in there. And that's how you send an individual link so that they can click that link inside of here and directly to your page. Now, just for proof, watch. This is my, now, what I mean right now, I'm actually in my videos and I could keep on going across and across and across. I've got several in there. I've got a lot in there. That's what it does. That's the sole purpose of it. Now, I'll close that, and that's the end of it. That is how you put the link. And then when you're sending out an individual greeting, that's how you do that. It's that simple.
I hope you enjoyed this presentation. I think it was very, very powerful, and the more friends that you connect with on Facebook, just keep up the work and you'll be surprised at how fast it'll raise your rankings in YouTube and how many views you'll get that much quicker. It helps. Just do a professional greeting very nicely the first time. Then after that, you could just use the group chat part on Facebook and take off with it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, like it. I appreciate it. See you in the next video.